No, she's in Spain too. They're all in Spain. There's no one here. Why in Spain? They're not in Spain. Yeah, like half the day after them. But I go home at 1 o'clock on Wednesday, and I've got no space sardines to put my feet up with because the door was cold on the telly. Well, here's the paper then. And if it's to do with letting the house, then you'll have to ring the house agents because they're the agents for the house. Squire Ackerman. Who's the other one? No, they're not in Spain, then it's the phone in the study. Squire Ackerman. Hold on, I'll go look. Always the same, isn't it? As soon as you take the weight off your feet, then it all comes on your head. And I take the sardines. No, I leave the sardines. No, I take the sardines.
You leave the sardines and you put the receiver back.
Yes, I put the receiver back.
And you leave the sardines.
I leave the sardines?
You leave the sardines.
Put the receiver back and I leave the sardines.
Right.
Change that, have we, love?
No, love.
That's what I've always been doing?
I shouldn't say that, Dottie, my precious.
But the words, love, am I getting some of them right?
Some of them have a very familiar ring, yes.
Only it's like a fruit machine in there.
I know that.
I open my mouth and I never know if it's going to come out 3 oranges or 2 lemons and a banana.
Anyway, it's not midnight yet. We don't open till tomorrow. So you're holding the receiver.
So I'm holding the receiver.
Squire Hagen, hold on.
Squire Ackerman, hold on, I'm putting it down. Always the same, isn't it? Put your feet up for 2 minutes and immediately they can run in after you.
Hold it.
I have a housekeeper, yes, but this is her afternoon off.
Hold it, Gary. Dottie.
It's entirely to ourselves.
Hold it, Brooke. Dottie.
Come back.
Yes. And go out again with the newspaper.
The newspaper.
You leave the sardines. You put the receiver back. And you go out with the newspaper.
Here you are, love.
Sorry, love.
Don't worry about it, love. It's only the technical.
It's the dress, Gary, honey. It's the dress rehearsal.
Well, so when was the technical?
So when's the dress? We open tomorrow.
Well, we're all thinking of it as the technical. Aren't we, love?
It's all those words, my sweetheart.
Don't worry about the words, Dottie, my love.
Coming up like oranges and lemons.
Listen, Dottie, your words are fine. Your words are better than the... Do you know what I mean? I mean, all right, so he's the, you know. But, Dottie, honey, you've been playing this kind of part for, well, you know what I mean.
All right. So, Gary and Brooke are off. Dottie's holding the receiver.
No, but here we are. I mean, we open tomorrow. We've only had a fortnight to rehearse. We don't know where we are, but my God, here we are.
That's right, my sweet. Isn't that right, Lloyd?
Oh, beautifully put, Gary.
No, but we've got to play Yeovil. No, Western Supermare, all the rest of this week. Then Yeovil. Then God knows where. Then God knows where else. And so on for God knows how long. And we're all of us feeling pretty much, you know. I mean, aren't you?
Sorry?
Anyway, you're off. Dottie's holding the receiver.
Sorry, Lloyd. Sometimes you just have to, you know what I mean?
I know.
Thanks, Lloyd.
So, you're off.
Lloyd, let me just say one more thing, since we've stopped. I've worked with a lot of directors, Lloyd. Some of them were geniuses, and some of them were bastards, but I've never met one who was so totally and absolutely, I don't know.
Thank you, Gary. I'm very touched. Now, will you get off the damn stage? And Brooke?
Yes?
Are you in?
In?
Are you there?
What?
You're out. Okay, I'll call again. And on we go. So there you are, holding the receiver.
There I am, holding the receiver. I put the receiver down and I leave the sardines. Always the same story, isn't it?
And you take the newspaper.
I leave the sardines, I take the newspaper. Always the same story, isn't it? It's a weight off your mind, it's a load off your stomach. Last I go.
Leaving the receiver. Thank you.
I have a housekeeper, yes, but this is her afternoon off. So we've got the place entirely to ourselves. I'll just check. Hello? Anyone here? No, there's no one. So, what do you think?
Great, and this is all yours?
Oh, just a little shack in the woods, really. Converted faucet mill, 16th century.
Must cost a bomb.
Well, one must have somewhere to entertain one's business associates. Arab chic oil, you know.
Right, and I've got to get those files to our Basingstoke office by 4.
Yes, we'll only just manage to fit it in. I mean, we'll only just do it. I mean, we won't bother to chill the champagne.
All these stories.
Oh, only a handful, really. Study, kitchen, and a self-contained service flat for the housekeeper.
Terrific. And which one's
The what?
No.
The usual offices. Through here.
Fantastic. Now, I'll cross the sorties.
Ah! I'm sorry, I thought there was no one here.
Oh, no, here. I'm off. Only it's for all you know where there were those acts and they were covered in fruit. And who are you?
Well, I'm from the agents.
From the agents?
Squire Hackham and Dudley.
Which one are you then? Squire, Hackham, or Dudley?
I'm Treppleman.
Walking in here as if you owned the place. I thought you was a burglar.
No, I just dropped in to go into a few things. Well, to check some of the measurements. Oh, do one or two odd jobs. Oh, and the client, I'm showing a prospective tenant over the house.
What's wrong with this door?
She's thinking of renting it. Her interest is definitely aroused. Whoa!
That's not the bedroom.
The bedroom? No, that's the downstairs bathroom and WC suite. And this is the housekeeper, Mrs. Crockett.
Clackett, dear, Clackett. Oh, hi.
She's not really here.
Only it's for all you know with the ads.
Don't worry about us.
I'll have the sound on low.
We'll just inspect the house.
And now I've lost the newspaper.
I'm sorry about this.
That's all right.
Sardines. Sardines.
I've forgotten the sardines.
Lloyd, these sardines, they're driving us mad.
Something wrong with the sardines? Hobby.
We have 4 plates of sardines coming on in Act 1 alone. They go here, they go there, she takes them, I take them. I mean, don't you feel, you know?
Sorry?
Sardines?
What sardines? Change the sardines.
Yes. Make it 4 grilled turbot off the bone.
I mean, it's all right for you. You're sitting out there. We're up here. We have to do it. Plus, we've got bags, we've got boxes, plus doors, plus words.
We're not getting at you, Poppy Love. We think the sardines are lovely.
I'm just trying to, you know.
So what do you want to change, Gary? The bags, the boxes, the doors?
You can't start changing things now, love.
I'm just saying. Doors, words, bags, boxes, sardines, us. Okay? I've made my point.
Oh, yes, you certainly have. You got that, Poppy?
Well, actually,
Good. So, you're off, and on we go. And Poppy,
yes.
don't let this happen again.
No.
Sorry, Lloyd, I just felt my arms. You know?
I know, Gary, honey.
Better out than, you know what I mean?
Yes, much better, as long as Tottie's happy.
Absolutely happy, Lloyd, my love.
Will you do something for me then, Tottie, my precious?
Anything, Lloyd, my sweet.
Take the sardines off with you!
I'm sorry about this.
That's all right. We don't want the television, do we?
Only she's been in the family for generations.
Great, come on then. I've got to be Basingstoke by 4.
Perhaps we should just have a glass of champagne.
We'll take it up with us.
Yes, well,
And don't let my files out of sight.
no, only,
What?
well,
Her?
she has been in the family for generations.
Sardines, sardines. Oh, it's not for me to say, of course, dear. Only I will just say this. Don't think twice about it. Take the plunge. Oh, you really enjoyed it. Oh, great. And won't she, love?
Yes, well, yes.
And we'll enjoy Avenue, won't we, love?
Well,
Terrific. Sardines, sardines. Can't put your feet up on an empty stomach, can you? You see, she thinks it's great. She's even making us sardines.
yes, well,
I think she's terrific.
terrific.
Great, so which way?
All right, before she comes back with the sardines.
Up here?
Yes, yes.
In here?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's not a bathroom.
No, no, no.
Always trying to get me into bathroom.
I mean in here.
Oh, hot sheets.
Oh, it's the airing cupboard. This one, this one.
Oh, you're in a real seat. Can you even get the door open?
No, Miss Clack is having an afternoon.
Hold it.
Get the place entirely to ourselves.
Hold it. And God said, hold it. and they held it. And God saw that it was terrible.
Sorry, Lex, this door won't open.
No, I'm sorry, love, this door won't close.
And God said, Poppy!
I'm sorry, Big Mama. Am I doing something wrong? You know how stupid I'm about doors.
You know, pretty much what you're doing perfectly.
As long as it's not me that broke it.
And there was Poppy. And God said, be fruitful and multiply and fetch Tim to fix the doors.
Oh, I love technicals.
She loves technicals. Isn't she just, I mean, she loves technicals. Dottie! Where's Dottie?
Everyone's always so nice to everyone.
Oh, she really is, isn't she? Belinda's being all, you know.
Oh, but Freddie, my precious, don't you like a nice all-night technical?
The only thing I like about technicals is we get a chance to sit on the furniture.
Oh, Freddie, my precious, it's lovely to see you cheering up and making jokes.
Was that a joke?
This is such a lovely company to work with, such a happy company. Wait till we've got to Stockton-on-Tees in 12 weeks' time. Are you all right, Lloyd, my precious?
I'm beginning to know what God felt like when he sat out there in the darkness creating the world.
And what do you feel like, Lloyd, my love?
Oh, very happy he'd taken his valley.
Only in 6 days, of course. We've only got 6 hours.
And God said, where the hell is Tim? And there the hell was Tim. And God said, let there be doors that open when they open, and close when they close.
Do something?
Doors.
I was doing the front of house.
Doors.
Doors?
Tim, are you fully awake?
Lloyd, he has been putting up the set all week.
Oh, you're not trying to do too much now, are you, Tim?
Oh, Tim, I love this door won't close.
And the bedroom won't, you know.
Oh. Right.
Lloyd, he hasn't been to bed for 48 hours.
Oh, don't worry, Tim. Only another 24 hours and it'll be the end of the day.
Oh, look! He's come down to earth amongst us.
Listen, since we've stopped anyway. Okay, so it took us 2 days to put this up, so we shan't have time for a dress rehearsal. It's okay. Think of the first night as the dress rehearsal. If we can just get through tonight. For doors and sardines. That's it. That's what it's all about. Doors and sardines. Getting on, getting off. Getting the sardines on, and getting the sardines off. That's farce. That's the theater. That's life.
Oh, Lloyd, you're so deep.
So just keep going. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, you're on. Bang, you've said it. Bang, you're off, and everything will be perfectly... Where's Selston?
Oh, no!
Not already.
Oh, Selston!
Poppy!
I thought he was in front with you.
I thought he was round back with you. Is Mr. Mowbray in his dressing room?
Oh, I don't think he would. I'm not at a technical. Oh, would he?
With who?
Sells we can't find him.
Oh, I'm sure he would. Not at a technical.
Half a chance he would. But what? Oh, no, come on, Mike. Please be fair. We don't know.
Let's not jump to any conclusions.
Yes, let's just get the understudy dressed. Tim! Hurry up with those doors. You're going on as the burglar.
Oh, right.
He shouldn't have been out of sight. I said he should never be out of sight. Oh, but he's been good as gold all the rehearsals.
Yes, because in the rehearsal room it was all, I don't know, but there we were, do you know what I mean?
There was no set. You could see everyone.
And here it's all, ugh, you know?
There's a set 2 sides back to front, and instantly we've lost him.
He's not in the dressing room. He's looking in the lavatory house, in the paint room, in the prop store, in the scenery dog house.
You worked with them before, of course.
Phone the police. Tim! Finish the doors. Good, you're going on as the burglar. I'm sorry, Johnny Love.
No, it's my fault, Lloyd, my love.
I cast him.
Let's give him one last chance. I give him one last chance. What can you do? We were in Reading Rep together in Peebles.
It's my fault, my precious. I shouldn't have let you. This torture isn't just, do you know what I mean? This is her life savings.
No, that very well.
I'm not trying to make my fortune.
Fortunately.
Just wanted to put a little something can buy.
Oh, we know, love.
Just something that she could buy a house with to, I mean, that's not so much to ask.
Oh, don't you cry, my love. It's not your fault.
No, I've got something behind my leg.
Yes, you couldn't expect Bert to keep anyone in sight.
I saw him before we started. He was standing right there in the stalls before we started. What are we talking about now?
Oh, it's all right, love. We know you can't see anything.
Me, Selden? I'm not blind. I can see Selden.
Oh, God, he's here all the time.
Standing there like Hamlet's father.
My word, Selson, you gave us a surprise. We thought you were not there.
Where have you been, Selden?
Are you all right, Selston?
Speak to us.
Is it a party?
Is it a party?
Is it? How kidding. I got it into my head that there was going to be a rehearsal. I was having a little postprandial snooze at the back of the stalls as to be ready for the rehearsal.
Oh, isn't he lovely?
Much lovelier now we can see him.
So what are we celebrating?
What are we celebrating?
I've looked all through his dressing room, I've looked all through the wardrobe, I can't find the gear.
Oh. Beer in the wardrobe.
No, Selsden! Tim, you need a break. Why don't you go sit quietly upstairs and do all the company's taxes?
Tax.
And just in case he and the burglar beer do eventually walk off together one night, order yourself a spare burglar costume.
Spare burglar costume.
2 spare burglar costumes. One to fit you, one to fit Poppy. I want a plentiful supply of burglars for any eventuality.
2 spare burglars.
He has been on his feet for 48 hours, Lloyd.
Don't fall down, Tim. We may not be insured.
So what's next on the bill?
Well, Selden, I thought we might want to try a spot of rehearsal.
Oh, I won't, thank you.
You won't?
No, you all go ahead. I'll sit and watch. This is the beer in the wardrobe, is it?
No, Selston. He wants us to rehearse.
Yes, but I think we got to rehearse, haven't we?
Yes, Selden. I knew you'd think of something. Right from Freddie and Belinda's entrance.
Boy,
Oh, now what?
the police.
The police.
They found an old man and he was lying unconscious in the doorway just across our street.
Oh, yes, Poppy, thank you.
And I thought, oh my God, because they say he's very dirty and rather smelly.
Thank you, Poppy.
And I thought, oh my God,
Thank
because
you.
when you stand too close to
Poppy!
Selden- No, I mean when you stand anywhere near Selden, you can't help but noticing this very distinctive.
I'll tell you something, Poppy. Once you got it in your nostrils, you'll never forget it. 60 years now and the smell of the theater still haunts me.
Oh, bless him.
Tell me something, Poppy love. How did a girl like you get a job that requires tact and understanding like this? Oh, you're not somebody's girlfriend, are you?
Oh, it's all right, Poppy love. He truly did not hear.
Not here.
Yes, there, Selsden!
Sit down, my precious.
Go back to sleep.
Only another 20 pages before the big moment. Okay. Dottie in the kitchen wildly roasting sardines. Brooke and Gary disappearing tremulously into the bedroom. Freddie and Belinda waiting impatiently outside. Time slipping irrevocably into the past.
Aren't they sweet?
What?
Gary and Dottie.
Gary and Dottie? You mean those two? Trampleman and Mrs. Claggett?
It's supposed to be a secret.
She's old enough to be his.
Didn't you know?
I'm just God, Belinda love. I'm just the one with the English degree. I don't know anything.
Well, what's happening?
I don't like to imagine, Gary, honey.
I mean, what are we waiting for?
Oh, I don't know what you're waiting for, Gary. Your 16th birthday?
What?
Or maybe just the cute Brooke. Oh, you're in a real state.
Oh, you're in a real state. You can't even get the door open.
Door closed, love. Thank you.
You can't even get the door open.
No, Miss Clack is having an off from them. We have the place entirely to ourselves.
Home.
Oh, sweet home.
Dear old home.
Just waiting for us to come back.
It's rather funny, though, creeping in like this for our wedding anniversary.
It's damn serious. And then revenue finds out in the country, even for one night, bangos are claimed to be residents abroad. Bangos most of this year's income. I feel like an illegal immigrant.
Well, you know what I feel like.
Champagne.
I wonder if Miss Clackett's aired out the bed.
Darling.
Well, why not? No children, no friends dropping in. We're absolutely on our own.
True.
What?
In the revenue makers.
What I did with that first lot of sardines, I shall never know.
Mrs. Clackett!
Oh, you give me a chill amount of ramble.
So did mine.
We thought you'd gone!
Oh, you was in Spain.
We are.
You haven't seen us!
Not here.
Oh, like that, is it the income tax are after you?
They would be if they knew we were here.
All right then, loves, I haven't seen you. Anybody ask for you, I don't know nothing. Off to bed, are you?
Oh,
Well,
That's right. No, I like bed when they all get on top of you. You want your things?
right, thanks.
That bed hasn't been aired, love.
I'll get a hot water bottle.
And I put all your letters in the study, dear.
Letters? What letters? You forward all the mail, don't you?
Not the one from the income tax, dear. I don't want to spoil your holidays.
Good heavens! Oh, where are they?
I put them on the pigeon house.
Pigeon house.
And a little pigeon house, a little desk, love.
Yes, but I could hear voices.
Hold it.
What sort of voice?
Hold it. Freddie, what's the trouble?
Lloyd, you know how stupid I'm about moving. Sorry, Brooke. Sorry, Gary. It's just my usual dimness, but I never understood why I take these things off into the study with me. Wouldn't it be more natural if I just left them on?
No.
I thought it might somehow be more logical.
No.
Lloyd, I know it's a bit late in the day to go into all this.
Oh, we've got several more minutes left before we open.
Thanks, Lloyd, as long as we're not too pushed. But I just never understood why I would take an overnight bag and a box of groceries into the study to go look at my mail.
Because they have to be out of the way for my next scene.
I see that.
And Freddie might see if they have to be in the study for Selson's sex scene.
I see that.
Selston, where is he? Is he there?
Selston!
Selston!
No bars, no burglar alarm, we have to be prosecuted for incitement. No?
No, not yet, Selston. Thank you.
I thought I heard my name.
Oh, no, Selston. Thank you very much. Poppy. Put the glass back once again. Sound rewind. Oh, and Selston.
Oh, yes?
Beautiful performance.
Oh, how kind of you. I don't think I'm quite there yet, though.
He even remembers the line.
All right, I see all that. I just don't know why I take them.
Freddie, why does anyone do anything? Why does that other idiot walk through the front door with 2 plates of sardines? I'm looking at you.
Of course not, love. I mean, why do I? I mean, when you come to think about it, why do I?
Who knows? The well springs of human action are deep and cloudy. Maybe something happened to you as a small child, which made you frightened to let go of groceries.
Or it could be genetic.
Or it could be, you know.
It could be.
All right, thank you. I see all that.
Freddie, I'm telling you, I don't know. I don't think the author knows. I don't know why the author came into this industry in the first place. I don't know why any of us did.
Well, the same. If you could just give me a reason I could keep in my mind,
You take these things into the study with you, Freddie, honey, because it's just slightly after midnight, and we won't get finished before we open tomorrow night. Correction, before we open tonight. And on we merrily go from after Freddie's exit with the groceries.
Lloyd, sweetheart. His wife left him this morning.
Oh. You take these things into the study with you because you've had a great fright when she mentions income tax. And you feel very insecure and exposed, and you want something familiar to hold on to.
Thank you, Lord. Oh, thank you. That's most helpful.
And on we go. Okay, I'll take it off. No, that's not it. Where are we?
Yes, but I could hear voices.
Yes, but I can hear voices. Thank you.
Yes, but I could hear voices.
Voices? What sort of voices?
People's voices.
But there's no one here.
Darling, I saw the door handle move. It could be someone from the office checking up.
I still don't see why you got to put your tie on to look.
Mrs. Crackett.
This is Crockett.
One has to set an example for the staff.
Oh, look, she's opened our sardines.
Come back.
What?
You can't go downstairs dressed like that. I'll fetch them.
Why not?
Mrs. Crackett.
Crockett.
One has certain obligations.
Sardines here, sardines there. Looks like a Sunday school outing. Oh, you're still poking around, are you?
Yes, still poking. Well, still around.
Is the airing coming for you?
No. Well, just checking the sheets and pillowcases, going through the inventory. Mrs. Blackett.
Clackett, dear, Clackett.
Mrs. Clackett, is there anyone else in the house, Mrs. Clackett?
I haven't seen no one, dear.
I thought I heard voices.
Voices? There's no voices here, love.
I must have imagined it. Oh, good God, I beg your pardon.
Oh, good Lord above. Something else open.
There's another car outside. What? That's not Mr. Hackham's, is it? Or Mr. Dudley's?
Nothing but flapping doors in this house.
If I don't know this, steps will be taken. Distraint? Proceedings in court?
Oh, and that reminds me, a judgment come about the house.
Don't tell me if I'm not here.
He says he's got a lady quite aroused.
Leave everything to Squire Hackman Dudley.
Let him go all over, shall I?
Let them do anything, just as long as no one tell them that we're here.
All right then, I'll just sit down and turn on the... Sardines! I've forgotten the sardines! Don't know if it wasn't fixed to my shoulders, I forget what day it was.
I didn't get this. I'm not here, I'm in Spain, but if I didn't get it, or I didn't open it.
Darling, I never had a dress like this, did I?
Oh, didn't you?
Well, I should never buy anything as tawdry as this, but... Oh, is that something you gave me, is it?
You should never have touched it.
No, it's lovely.
Stick it down, put it back, never saw it.
Well, I'll put it in the attic with all the other things that you gave me that are too precious to wear.
All right. What's going on? Now the study door's open again. Knocking! Upstairs! Oh my God, there's something in the airing cupboard! Oh, it's you!
Of course it's me. You put me in here in the dark with all black sheets and things.
But darling, why did you lock the door?
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I didn't lock the door.
Oh, someone locked the door.
Anyway, we can't just stand here like this.
Like what?
In your underwear.
Okay, I'll take it off.
In here.
Darling, now this glue. It's not so I can get unstuck.
Hold it.
Oh, Miss Clackett's made us some sardines.
Hold it. We have a problem.
Oh, bad luck. Oh, which one is it this time?
Left.
Left one, everybody!
Left one! Oh, could be anywhere.
We could have gone over the thing and then bounced to somewhere else again.
Where did you last see it?
Well, she didn't see it, poor sweet. It was in her eye.
It was probably on. Why did I lock the door? She always opens her eyes very sort of, I always tell her to rush forward.
Oh, mind where you put your feet, my love.
Yes, everyone look under their feet.
No one move their feet.
Everyone put their feet back exactly where they were.
Everyone, pick up their feet one by one.
This isn't going to happen during the actual performance, is it? We won't want the audience to miss their last buses and trains.
Let's just go on without it, won't you, Mom?
But can she see anything without you?
Can she hear anything without them?
Sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Force me. You stepped on his hand.
Oh dear.
Oh, look at Brady the force me.
What's wrong with him?
Oh, he's just got a little nosebleed, that's all.
A nosebleed? No one touched
Oh,
him.
he's just got this thing about violence. It makes his nose.
I'm so sorry.
Brooke.
I thought you said something.
Oh yes. Go and hit the box office manager with this, and you'll have finished off live theater and Weston Superman.
Anyway, I found it.
Oh, she found it.
Where was it, love?
My eye.
In her eye.
Oh, not in your left eye.
It's gone around the side.
Oh no.
Are you all right, baby love?
I think so.
Ready?
Fine. Oh dear. Oh God.
Now what?
He's just feeling a little faint. He's got this thing about it.
Think about what?
Well, I won't say the.
Oh, you mean blood.
Oh dear. Oh God.
All right, walking wounded, carry the stretcher cases. Okay. On we bloodily stagger. Sorry, Freddie, let me rephrase that. On we blindly stumble. Sorry, Brooke. I withdraw that. Anyway, from your entrance, okay, I'll take it off. And here. Where's Selsden?
Nelson.
Selsden!
I think she might have dropped it out here somewhere.
Yes, Selsden, keep looking. Only another 5 pages. You can't stand out here like this, like what, in your underwear? Okay, I'll take it off.
In here.
Darling, this clear. It's not so you can get unstuck. Oh, this package made us some sardines.
Now what?
A hot water bottle. I didn't put it there.
I didn't put it there.
Someone in the bathroom filling hot water bottles.
You don't think there's something creepy going on? Darling, are you coming to bed or aren't you?
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
First the door handle, now the hot water bottle.
Oh, I can feel goose pimples all over.
Yes, quick, get something round you.
Get the covers over our heads.
Just a minute. What did I do with those sardines? You, wait here.
Here are all sorts of funny things about these old houses.
Yes, but this one has been extensively modernized throughout. I can't see how anything creepy would survive oil-fired central heating and...
What? What is it? What's happening?
the sardines. They're gone.
Perhaps there is something funny going on. I'm going to get into bed and put my head under the...
I put them there. Or was it there?
Why?
I suppose Mrs. Sprocket must have taken them away again. What? What is it?
Bag!
Bag?
Bag! Bag!
What do you mean bag? Bag?
Bag! Bag! Bag!
What bag?
No bag!
No bag.
Your bag! Suddenly here. Now gone.
It's in the bedroom. I put it in the bedroom.
Don't go in there!
The box! The box! They've both gone!
My files!
What on earth is happening? Where's Mrs. Blodgett? You, no, stay here.
No, no, no!
At least put your dress on.
I'm not going in there!
I'll fetch it for you. I'll fetch it for you.
Yes, quick! Let's get out of here!
Your dress has gone!
I'm never going to see Basin Soap again!
Don't panic, don't panic! There must be some perfectly rational explanation for all of this. I'll fetch Mrs. Blodgett and she'll tell us what's happening. You, wait here. Oh, you can't wait here dressed like that. Wait in the study. Study, study, study.
Roger, there's a strange figure in there! Where are you?
Darling, I know this gonna sound silly, but...
Darling, if you're not coming to bed, I'm going to clear out the attic.
Darling, I can't come to bed. I've been to a tax tomorrow.
Darling, why don't you put the sardines down?
Darling, I'm stuck to the sardines.
No, darling, don't play the fool. Get the bottle of my poison in the downstairs room. That eats through anything.
I heard of people getting stuck with the problem, but this is ridiculous.
Selden! We're there! The moment's arrived!
Okay, Floyd, he's coming.
Yes, but his arms will be coming through that window right after Freddy's exit. Ah, and there it is.
No bars, no burger alarm, they have to be prosecuted for inside.
Alright, Selden, hold it. Let's take it again.
Make sure you want to sit down and read. When I think I used to do banks.
Hold it, Selden. Hold it.
I want you to hold it!
So what are they on?
Stop, Selden, my love, wait! My precious.
It's like Myra Hess playing on through the air raids.
Stop.
Stop! Stop!
Thank you, Belinda. Thank you, Poppy. Selden.
I met Myra Hess once.
I think you can hear better than I can.
I beg your pardon.
Yes, Selden. From your entrance, please.
Well, it was during the war at a charity show in Sunderland.
Thank you. Poppy.
Oh, not for me. It stops me sleeping.
Yes, put the glass back once again. Sound rewind.
Come on again.
Yes, only this time, Selden.
Oh, yes?
A shade earlier, Selden. A touch sooner. A touch closer to yesterday. Freddy, come on as soon as Freddy closes the door. What's the line?
I heard of people getting stuck with the problem, but this is ridiculous.
Come on, as soon as you hear the line. I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem.
Stuck with a problem?
Stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous, and I want your arm through that window, okay?
Say no more. May I make one suggestion, though?
Yes, Selden.
Shall I perhaps come on a little earlier?
Selden.
Well, there does seem to be something of a hiatus between Freddy's exit and my entrance.
No, Selden, don't worry. Listen, I've got it.
Oh, yes?
Why don't you try coming on a little earlier?
We're obviously thinking along the same lines.
Am I putting him on, or is he putting me on? Right from your exit.
I heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous.
No bars, no burger alarm, they have to get prosecuted for incitement. No, but sometimes it makes me want to sit down and read. When I think I used to do banks, when I'm going to buy used to do bullion bonds, what am I doing now? I'm breaking into paper bags. So what are they offering? One microwave oven? What? 50 quid? Hardly worth lifting it. Jump, if you insist. Where's his desk? No, they all say the same thing. Yes, they all say the same thing. Yes, line?
It's hard to adjust to retirement.
What?
It's hard to adjust to retirement!
Hard to what? It's also very hard to hear when everyone talks at once.
And the prospective tenant naturally wishes to know if there's any history of paranormal phenomena.
Oh yes, it's all nice and paranormal.
I mean, has anything ever dematerialized before? Has anything ever... Going about the room?
Blown about? No, things move themselves on their own 2 feet, just like they do in any house.
I better inform the prospective tenant. She's inspecting the study. There's a man in there!
No, there's no one in the house at all.
Look, he's searching for something.
Oh, I can't see no one.
You can't see him, but this is extraordinary. And what happened to my prospective tenants? I left her in there. She's gone. My prospective tenant has disappeared. Oh my God.
Now what?
There!
Where?
The sardines!
Oh, the sardines.
You can see the sardines.
I can see the sardines. I can see the way they're going too.
I'm not letting these sardines out of my hands. But where is my prospective tenant?
I'm gonna be making sardines all night in and out of bed. I gotta cook at 1 o'clock.
Where's she gone? Vicky!
No, I miss the violence. I miss having a bunch of human beings around to terrify.
Vicky! Where's Vicky?
It's nice to hear a bit of shouting and screaming. All this silence gets you down.
Vicky! Vicky!
I'm just gonna have to start talking to myself.
Darling, stop letting through anything. Oh, it eats through trousers. Oh, darling, if this stuff eats through trousers, you don't think it goes on and eats through up. Oh, listen, darling. Oh, I think I better get these trousers off. I mean, because if it eats through anything. Oh, darling. Oh, I think I can feel it. Oh, I think it's eating through absolutely everything.
Evil in this house.
In the nephew.
He's back.
No. I'm not here.
Not there.
I'm abroad.
He's walking abroad.
I must go.
Stay.
I won't, thank you.
Speak.
In the presence of my lawyer.
Only in the presence of you. Hold on. You're not from the other world.
Oh, well, nice to meet you. I mean, I'm the sardine.
You're some kind of sex maniac. You've done something with Vicky. Come straight downstairs.
Well, it seems you already have some sardines, so there's something I can offer you.
This is clearly a matter for the police.
I think I'll be right along.
Come back! Police! Hello, yes, police? Someone has broken into my house. Or rather, someone has broken into someone's house. Yes, but he's a sex maniac. I left a young woman here, and what's happened to her, no one knows.
There's a man lurking in the undergrowth.
Sorry, the young woman has reappeared. Are you all right?
No, he almost saw me.
He almost saw her. Yes, but he's a burglar as well. He's taken our things.
The things are here.
The things have come back. So all we're missing is a plate of sardines.
The sardines.
And we found the sardines.
This is the police? You want the police here? In my underwear?
So what am I saying? I'm saying let's say no more about it. I thought something terrible had happened to you.
It has. I know him.
You know him,
He's dealt with by our office.
but he's just an ordinary sex maniac.
Yes, but he mustn't see me like this. You have to keep up certain standards when you work for Inland Revenue.
We'll put something on.
I haven't got anything.
The bathroom. There must be something in the bathroom. Bring the sardines.
Right, that's the downstairs tidied up a bit. Just have the upstairs equipment going over for them.
Bath mats?
Better than nothing.
Can't go around in front of our taxpayers wearing bath mats.
The bedroom then. There's probably something in the bedroom.
No, I'm not going back in there.
Oh, you check the other bathroom. I'll check the bedroom.
Darling! Help! Where are you?
Roger, there's someone in the bathroom now. Oh, darling, I'm finding such lovely things. Do you remember this China tea service that you gave me on the very first anniversary of Who are you? This is way for Independence.
Excuse me, I think you have the dress. income tax.
That's right, Governor. Income, new tax, out, go overtime.
Tax inspectors everywhere. What?
Darling, I found your dress. It came flying out of the attic at me.
Darling, I have a dress stuck to my head now.
Another intruder.
Just doing the tax, Governor.
A tax? Not a tax on women.
Try anything, Governor, but I would tax on the back first.
Sex maniacs everywhere. Where's Vicky? Vicky!
People everywhere. I'm off. A tax on women? I don't know. They put a tax on anything these days.
If I can't find her, you're gonna be in trouble, you see.
WC. I'll fix it.
Vicky! Sheik! Oh, I thought you were coming in for, Sheik! Oh, and this must be your charming wife. So you want to see the house now, do you? Well, since you're upstairs already. If I didn't leave me, I'll break this up in the head! Downstairs! Who are you? Who are these creatures? I have no idea who she is. No connection with the house, I assure you. Where is this good woman, on the other hand?
No, the hands, thank you, not in my sardines, 'cause this time I'm eating them.
Is fully occupied with her sardines, so perhaps the bathroom facilities.
Oh, Mrs. Kalakis, who are these people?
Oh, they're just Arab sheets, dear, we get them all the time.
I'm sorry about this, but in here,
Arab sheep?
in here we have,
Bollocks, Governor. Bollocks.
we have him.
Irish sheep, Irish linen sheets off my own bed.
Oh, the thieving devils!
In the study, however.
You give me that sheet, you devil! Oh, and there she stands in a swathe for all the world to see!
It's you.
It's her!
It's my little girl. All this was Vicky that ran away from home I thought I'd never see again.
Oh, would you believe it? What are you doing here like this?
What are you doing here like that?
Me? I'm taking our files and tax evasions in the revenue and Basingstoke. So, where's my other sheet?
How's it? Let it in peace. Hold on. I know that face. This is no Sheik. He's that sex maniac.
Yes, it's my husband.
Trousers!
Take all the clean sheets!
What?
Trousers,
You
trousers!
snatched my bath mat!
What?
You tossed me aside like a broken China doll.
And to cap it all off, you've got your trousers on.
And what you're up to with my little girl down there in Basingstoke, I won't ask. Stop.
Stop.
It's a question of authenticity. You see, Freddie, do Arab potentates wear trousers under their robes? I don't know. But not round their ankles, Freddie. Not round their ankles.
I'm sorry, boy. This is frightfully difficult to do a quick costume change without a dresser.
Get Tim to help you. Tim! Tim, where are you? Tim!
Sorry?
Oh, yes, you're acting.
I must have dropped off down there.
No, Tim, let it pass.
Do something?
No, Tim. Tim just has to sleep behind the sofa while the rest of us walk around with our pants around our ankles. Okay, Freddie? You'll just have to do the best you can. Something else, Freddie?
Well, since we stopped anyways.
Oh, why did I ask?
You know how stupid I am about the plot.
Oh, I know.
May I ask another silly question?
Well, all my studies in world drama lie at your disposal.
Well, I just never understood why the sheep just happens to be Philip Stubble. I mean, it is rather a coincidence, isn't it?
Well, because he comes in and we all think he's, and I mean, that's a joke.
And sweetheart, the rest of the plot depends on it.
I see that, but it's a coincidence, right?
It is a coincidence. Yes, Freddie. Until, reflect, that there was an earlier draft of the play now lost to us. In this, the author makes perfectly clear that, as a young man, Philip's father traveled extensively throughout the Middle East.
I see. Oh, I see.
Oh, you see?
That's very interesting.
I thought you would like it.
Oh, but will the audience get it?
Tell them, Freddie. Looks. Gestures. That's what acting's all about, boys.
Thank you, Boyd. Thank you.
Oh, and you know what would make the performance even more powerful?
What?
If you did it without any trousers on. Right, and on we go. From the beautiful and well-polished line, you toss me aside like a broken china doll. Well, I'm being so clever out here. What's the happen of this show when I'm on an Absterwith and you're off doing whatever? Okay, you toss me aside like a broken china doll.
You tossed me aside like a broken china doll!
What?
And what you're up to with my little girl down there in Basingstoke, I won't ask. But I'll tell you one thing, Vicky.
Brooke,
Sorry.
line.
I don't understand.
Poppy, give her the line.
What's that, Dad? Yes, but I don't understand.
What's that, Dad?
Yes, I say to you, I'll tell you one thing, Vicky, and you say to me, what's that, Dad?
Yes, but I don't understand why the sheep looks like Philip.
Poppy! Is that the line? I don't understand why the sheik looks like Philip. Can we consult the author's text and make absolutely clear?
Well, I think that it's...
What's that, Dad? Yes, that's the line. What's that, Dad? Now, we all know that you work in very classy places up in London where they let you make the play up as you go along. But that's not what we want here, is it? Is it? Not when the author has provided such a beautiful line. Not at 1 o'clock in the morning. Not when we're just about to get a tea break before we all drop dead of exhaustion. We merely want to hear the line. What's that, Dad? That's all. I'm not being unreasonable, am I? Exit! Does it say exit? Oh, she's going to wash her lenses away.
Oh, dear.
A little heavy in the soft side, though.
I thought it was going to be Poppy when he finally, you know?
It usually is Poppy, isn't it, love?
Well, you know.
Yeah, why Brooke?
Well, I thought it was quite sweet, actually.
Sweet.
Trying to pretend they're not having a little thing together.
A little thing, Lloyd and Brooke?
Where do you think they've been all?
Brooke and Lloyd.
Oh, so that's why Lloyd wasn't here when... Oh, poor old Tim.
The setup back to front. Oh, here they go.
Okay, all forgotten. I was irresistible.
I think I'm going to be sick!
You mean...
Her too.
Great Scott!
No.
I think I'm going to faint. Oh, yes, sit down, love.
Oh, quick! Do your meditation!
That's something she didn't know.
Hush, love. 2 weeks rehearsal, that's all we've had.
Most exciting. Whatever next?
Hush, love. Here he comes.
Okay.
Jesus.
She all right, love?
Oh yes, something she ate, probably.
Yes, this one's feeling a bit, you know.
A bit, you know myself. I think so.
Oh, quick!
Faint?
Poppy's sick!
Need that tea break.
Certainly overdoing it at the moment, Rich, love.
Can we just have the last line of the act, please?
Well, I'll tell you one thing, Vicky.
What's that, Dad?
With all around this strife and uncertainty, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned... What?
Good old-fashioned flame
old-fashioned plates of... what?
Sardines! And curtain.